let's go over cardiac auscultation. To find the aortic, locate the collarbone. Below that is called the first intercostal space, between costal relating to the ribs. Next is the rib, and below that is the second intercostal space. We know that in the center of the chest is called the sternum, so second intercostal space along the sternal border is where you will find the aortic. Directly on the other side of the sternum, second intercostal space, is what we call the pulmonic. The third intercostal space along the sternal border is just the landmark known as Erb's point. In the fourth intercostal space, you'll find the tricuspid. And last but not least, the fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular, usually below the nipple, is called the mitral.